In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your website on Netlify and connect a custom domain. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple, practical way, from creating your account to getting your domain pointed at your live site. This is a great option if you want a fast, beginner-friendly way to publish a website without dealing with complicated server setup. To get started, head over to Netlify and create a free account. You can sign up using GitHub if your website project is already stored in a repository, or you can use an email address if you prefer. Either option works, so choose the one that fits your workflow best. If you plan to update your site regularly through version control, signing up with GitHub can make future deployments even easier. Once your account is ready, the next step is deploying your website. Netlify makes this very straightforward. If you already have your website files saved locally, open the Netlify dashboard and look for the visual uploader. From there, simply drag and drop your website folder into the upload area. Netlify will begin processing the files and publishing the site for you. If your project is stored on GitHub instead, you can connect your repository directly and let Netlify pull the files from there. That approach is especially useful if you want changes pushed to your repository to trigger future updates automatically. After the upload is complete, give Netlify a moment to finish the deployment. It will generate a live deployment URL for your website. This temporary Netlify URL allows you to confirm that the site is online and working before you attach your own domain. Once that's done, go to the Domain Management section for your site. From there, choose the option to add a custom domain. Enter the domain name you want to use, then continue so Netlify can provide the DNS target records you'll need. These records are important because they tell your domain where your website is hosted. Make sure you copy them carefully since you'll use them in the final step. Now go to the company where your domain is registered and open the DNS settings for that domain. Replace or update the necessary records using the Netlify values you copied earlier. This step connects your domain to your hosted site and completes the linking process. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take a little time to spread across the internet, so if the site doesn't appear on your custom domain right away, give it some time and check again. Once the records finish updating, your website should be live on your own domain through Netlify.